Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and welcome to the mid-month check-in for the Year of the Make-Alongs 2025 August check-in. So this month's theme for the Make-Along was working into our cotton stashes, whether that be dishcloth cotton, Pima cotton, cotton blends, whatever cotton. I thought this was funny. I thought I was the only one that had ever multiplying cotton. There are two things that seem to just appear in my stash, and that in particularly dishcloth cotton. I don't buy it. I don't know where it comes from, but I still had a whole box of it. And the chili colorway of the Premier sock yarn. And I talked to somebody else. They have the same problem with that chili color of the Premier sock yarn. Every time I think I've used my last skein of it, another one appears somewhere in my stash. It is crazy. But yeah, so a number of you guys said you just end up with cotton. And a lot of times it's where like somebody's, mother has quit crocheting or the grandmother quit crocheting, or they were at a yard sale and found a whole bunch of yarn and it's just, a bunch of dishcloth cotton. We just have this overabundance somehow that appears in our stashes. So that is what we were working on this month. All of the Year of the Make Along has been focusing on our stash and looking at our stash in different ways. So that was this month's goal. Get some water here. So I was hoping to get more progress done on my Kisa tee. This is a free pattern from Hobie. I am using DMC Senso yarn, which is a discontinued yarn for this. So it's worked in one piece from the bottom all the way up at the shoulder, down, and then down the front. So I have managed to get a couple of inches on it, which I'm not unpleased with that. That was 1 day's worth of being able to pick this up and work on it. I am hoping to at least get the sleeves finished by the end of the month. So I am running into the problem of, I also set the goal for myself to make blankets for all of my stepsons and their families for Christmas this year. So that's 10 blankets. I have 1 done. I am working on 5. So I'm running short on time if I want to get the blankets done to also do things for the make along, unfortunately. And I thought this might happen. That's why one of my goals for 2025 was to keep up with my own make along. So I've at least started things or done some work every single month. This isn't a month where finishment was a requirement to the make along. It was just getting something going and getting in there and looking at what we actually have. So let's check out what everybody else has been working on so far this month. Okie dokie. So everybody's doing fantastic. Y'all are killing me, especially, those of you who have gotten more than one thing done this month. I feel like a dog chasing its tail constantly, like I'm not getting ahead and I'm not making progress no matter which way I turn. So I commend you guys for being able to get so much done in what feels like such a short period of time. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you and I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Bye, guys.